Work from home jobs that don't require any experience? I got you covered. The first company to explore is Back Office Betties. They are hiring a full-time virtual receptionist. This is a customer service role that doesn't require any experience, and the starting pay rate is $15 to $17 per hour. For this role, you must live in Arizona, Nevada, Texas, or Florida, and you must be available for an 8-hour shift between the hours of 5 a.m. and 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Back Office Betties provides a wide variety of benefits, including all of the equipment you will need to do your job. The second company you can explore is Inbox Done, and they hire inbox managers to manage clients' email. These are independent contracting roles that pay $16 to $17 per hour. No experience is needed for this position. However, they are looking for applicants that are willing to make a long-term commitment and that are self-motivated and open to constructive feedback. The third company you can explore is Cambly, and they hire online tutors to help individuals practice their conversational English skills. No experience is needed for these positions. However, you must be a native English speaker. The pay rate for this position is $10.20 an hour if you teach adults and $12 an hour if you work with kids. With Cambly, you'll get paid weekly and you can tutor anytime and anywhere. This is an independent contracting role. The fourth company you can check out is FoundEver, and they are hiring work-at-home financial customer service reps. For these positions, you'll need to live in one of the following states. You'll need excellent communication skills, a problem-solving can-do attitude, and you must have a high school diploma or GED. The pay rate for this role is $12 up to $17 per hour, and it does come with paid training and benefits. The fifth and final company you can explore is Alorca. They are hiring work-at-home customer experience agents. For these positions, you'll need a high school diploma or GED. Customer service experience is nice but not required. You must be tech-savvy, be familiar with Microsoft Office applications, and have excellent communication skills. The starting pay rate for this position is $15 to $16 per hour, and you'll also receive benefits. Good luck!